Here's how to turn a boring image like this into something super cool like this using Canva for free. This is a popular Photoshop double exposure effect, but I'm going to show you how to do this for free on Canva. Go to Canva and create a document for 1080 by 1080. Now change the color of the background to gray or any color you like. I'm going to explain why in a minute. Now bring in the image that you would like to use. I got this image from FreePic, but you can get similar ones from Canva. Now go to Edit Image and click on Remove Background. If you do not have Canva Pro, go to remove.bg. It does the same thing. Once you get the image without the background, you're going to crop the edges and then center it to the canvas. Once you have it perfectly centered, now you can change the color of the background from gray or whatever color you chose to white. Okay, so let me go ahead and quickly do that. Change it to white like this. Now click on your image again, and then you'll have an option called Edit Image right here. And then choose duotone and then click see all. There are really good options here, so you can choose whatever you like. I'm going to choose this one right here. I think this looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and click apply. If you want to further enhance the colors of this, go back to Edit Image and click on Adjust and then click See All. You can play around with the brightness, contrast, and saturation to get your desired effect so that it looks a little bit brighter like this. I'm pretty happy with how this looks, so I'm going to click on Share and then click Download, but make sure you check Transparent Background and save it to your desktop. Now click on that plus sign right there to duplicate that image. And now go back to Edit Image, and then you will select Duotone again, and this time select a darker one. So I'm going to select this one right here. So I want this to be fully black and not have any kind of color. So click on those adjustments right there. And then now change the color of the highlight and the shadow to black. So once you do that, you should get something like this. Now click apply. Now save this as a transparent PNG to your computer. For this next step, you're going to use a free app called Eraser. You can use it for Android as well as iOS. So bring in that picture that we just got from Canva and click on Erase. Now click Target Area and select the black, and it should remove everything that is black from that image. Now save it to your phone and bring it to Canva. So I've already done this, so I'm going to bring this to my design. Now select a nice background image to go with this design. So go to Photos on Canva and type City and select whatever you like. So I found this really cool one with palm trees on it, so I'm going to use this for my design. Alright, before you proceed, make sure you lock that layer in and adjust your frame to fit your canvas, like this. Alright, now we're going to lock that layer as well. Make sure to lock your layers, guys. For next step, you're going to bring in that duotone image that we created previously. Just drop it into your design and then use the corners to drag and fit it to your original frame. Make sure it fits perfectly, and now here's the fun part. You are going to go to transparency right here and scale it down and see magic happen. Isn't that super cool? And this is how to level up your designs using this trick on Canva. So if you want to add a nice halo background effect, here's how to add that. So go to Edit Image and then click on Adjust, See All. Now click this and it would give you a nice halo background like that. This will look cool on your social media graphics, and people might actually think you did it on Photoshop, but it's done on Canva. Voila, this is the final effect. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to follow me for more.